You probably know that your display name is what your friends and other players see, and sometimes you just want to switch it up. Maybe you've outgrown your old name or you simply want something new. Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Steam name in just a few seconds, step by step. So before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my quick and helpful tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam. You can do this from the desktop app or the Steam website. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile name. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. Once your profile page opens, look to the right-hand side and click Edit Profile. Now, make sure you're under the General tab. This is where you can change your profile details. Here's something very important. There's a big difference between your Steam profile name and your Steam username. Your profile name is your display name. It's what everyone sees and you can change it anytime you like. But your Steam username, the one you use to log in, is permanent. You can't change it, not even with Steam support. If you really want a new username, you'd have to make a brand new account. But remember, that means you'd lose all your games, progress, and friends list. Alright, now let's change your display name. In the profile name field, simply delete your current name and type your new one. For example, Guide Realm. Once you're done, scroll down and click Save. Your new Steam name will update instantly across your account. Simple as that. Oh, and if you're curious about your old names, you can click the small drop-down arrow next to your profile name to view or clear your previous names anytime. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam name. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.